When it comes to playing guitar solos, technical proficiency is important, but what truly sets a great guitarist apart is their ability to convey heartfelt emotion through their music. The blues genre, in particular, has a unique power to touch people's souls and evoke strong emotions. If you want to take your guitar playing to the next level and master the emotional power of the blues, here are 5 effective ways you can infuse heartfelt emotion into your guitar solos. Connect with your own emotions. To truly express emotions through your guitar playing, you must first connect with your own feelings. Spend time reflecting on experiences that have evoked strong emotions within you: joy, sadness, anger, or longing, and try to channel those feelings when practicing or performing. This personal connection will bring authenticity and depth to your solos. Use vibrato for expressive phrasing. Vibrato is a technique that involves bending the pitch of a note slightly up and down rapidly. It adds an expressive quality to your playing by mimicking vocal nuances such as trembling or quivering in a voice during emotional moments. Experiment with different vibrato techniques like wide or narrow vibrato depending on the intensity of emotion you want to convey. Bend notes for soulful expression. Bending notes is another essential technique in blues guitar playing that allows you to create soulful expressions reminiscent of human voices crying out in pain or pleading for release from anguish. By bending strings either upwards or downwards while maintaining control over pitch accuracy, you can add an element of raw emotion and vulnerability into your solos. Incorporate dynamics for dramatic impact. Dynamics refer to variations in volume levels within a musical piece, from soft, pianissimo passages filled with delicate whispers of sound all the way to loud, fortissimo sections that demand attention. By mastering dynamics, you can create dramatic impact in your solos, heightening the emotional intensity and capturing the listener's attention. Experiment with playing softly and gradually building up to powerful crescendos or sudden drops in volume for a more dynamic performance. Use call and response phrasing. Call and response is a technique commonly used in blues music where one musical phrase or idea is followed by another that responds to it. This technique mimics conversational exchanges and allows you to engage your audience emotionally by creating tension and resolution within your solos. Play a phrase filled with longing or sadness, then respond with a brighter, hopeful melody. This contrast will evoke strong emotions in listeners. Conclusion: mastering the emotional power of the blues requires more than just technical skill. It demands an understanding of how to connect with your own emotions and convey them through your guitar playing. By incorporating techniques such as vibrato, bending notes, dynamics, call and response phrasing into your solos, you can infuse heartfelt emotion into every note you play. Remember that true emotional expression comes from within. Take time to explore your own feelings and experiences so that you can tap into those emotions when performing. Practice these techniques diligently until they become second nature, allowing you to express yourself freely on the guitar. By mastering these 5 ways of infusing heartfelt emotion into your guitar solos, not only will you captivate audiences with soul-stirring performances but also connect deeply with yourself as an artist. So pick up your guitar today and embark on a journey towards becoming a master of emotional blues expression.